What's your favorite color?
Green.
Green? What's your favorite food?
Macaroni.
Macaroni?
Yeah.
What's your favorite show?
Just.
Curious George? Not Elmo?
Yeah.
Oh.
Elmo and Doris.
Who's your favorite, Mickey or Donald?
Mickey and Doris.
Mickey and Donald. What about Buzz or Woody?
Buzz and Woody.
Do you like Buzz or Woody better?
Buzz and Woody.
Oh, jeez. What's your favorite cheese?
Cheese. You say yo, and you say hi.
Oh.
What is your favorite snack?
To gagas.
Cheese crackers? Where's your favorite place to go?
McDonald's.
What?
McDonald's?
I thought it was Impression 5.
Yeah.
Buffalo 5 and McDonald's.
That's a good day. Is that your favorite restaurant?
Beans.
Applebee's?
Applebee's? Oh, jeez.
You not like Applebee's?
No.
I have beans.
I know you do.
Should probably say goodnight to Elmo.
Thanks for playing favorites with me. Okay, good night.
Say goodnight.
So nice.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you again.
Tomorrow.
See? We do movie videos. That's what we have chocolate and popcorn, and we did all we does. Then someone dinosaurs. Yeah, the dinosaurs.
In the movie theater?
Then duck in a movie video. Then see this them at home and trying to eat a car.
They ate our car.
No, mommy's car.
Oh, mommy's car.
Yeah. Then race and the wall like this. then she pushed them at my home.
You pushed him out of your home?
Yeah. Daddy's surprise. I put them over there.
So you put him over there to surprise Daddy?
And sugar book to dinosaurs away. Then sugar take it tail of it.
Whoa.
What did Ahsoka do?
She barked him away, and then I don't know what the last
What was the last part that she did?
And he kicked with his tail like this.
With her tail?
Like that. Bow.
Ahsoka did, or the dinosaur did?
And sugar.
Ahsoka did.
Yeah, he's over there. Like that. Bow.
Wow.
Then it's all dinner.
Okay.
I just cut me my pizza. And I like pepperoni and sauce. And there's ham. No, I got ham already. I already cut